In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your date and time is grayed out on your iPhone. So you can see at the moment that my date and time is currently working, and that's because I just fixed this issue. Now, if you can't toggle these options on and you can't enable them because it's grayed out, then what you'll need to do to fix this is just come back over to the settings page on your iPhone, and we're going to scroll down and click on privacy and security from the list. Click on location services, and you just want to turn off and disable location services and press turn off. Once you've done that, come back over to the previous settings page, scroll up and click on screen time, and then you want to scroll right down to the bottom of this page and you want to turn off your screen time. So I'm just going to click on turn off app and website activity, and once you've done that, you can then come back over to settings, scroll back up and click on general, scroll down and click on date and time, and now you should be able to click on set automatically and enable this feature, or we can now disable this and go and set the time zone manually by just searching for a location. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.